kommer runt personer som tar över. Jag
Okay, this part is going to be how to do circles or the letter O, and this one's going to be kind of tricky to explain. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn your middle, okay? Any direction, up or down, it doesn't matter. Now, the second part you want to do is you want to turn the horizontal middle. Doesn't matter which direction. Now you're going to want to turn, when you turned this stripe the first time, you want to turn it back the other direction. So, you see I have yellow, the yellow, bring it up to the yellow side. So if you turned your middle down, you're going to want to turn your middle up. Okay? Now, the same thing with the side. If you turned your middle to the right, you're going to want to turn your middle to the left. And you should just have circles. If you get confused or you think it's not right, just back up the way that you can.
Jag är Peter och kommer runt personer som